Hi, I'm Chloe Davies and I am from Fairwater in Cardiff. I was in another job in another media studios, but I wasn't being able to be taught. I was more having to do it a lot off my own back and I wasn't really getting anywhere. And then I heard about the apprenticeship and I thought it was right up my street. I haven't had chance to look at all of the different sections that make the production, but I would probably like to go into maybe the production runners and work my way up maybe to a director, you never know.